Welcome, friends. Today we will discuss why farmers are more important than billion-dollar industries. No agriculture, no economy. The hidden engine behind every developed nation. Imagine a country where there is no food, no raw material for industries, no employment for millions, and rising poverty everywhere. So that's what happens when agriculture collapses. So from India to USA, every nation's economic journey began from agriculture. So agriculture is very important, very, very important. Even today, agriculture remains the backbone of employment, food security, industrial growth, and rural development. So we will discuss today role of agriculture in economic development. So first point is it is a source of food supply. Agriculture provides food, grains, vegetables, fruits, milk, and other essential required for survival of the population or mankind. It reduces dependence on imports. It ensures food security, it supports healthy and productive manpower. A country cannot achieve sustainable development if its people suffer from hunger and malnutrition. So India achieved full food self-sufficiency after Green Revolution. So you must have heard about Green Revolution. Agriculture is second point. Agriculture is a major source of employment. In developing countries like India, agriculture employs a large percentage of workforce, but there is a tragedy that there is a large number of disguised and unemployment in agriculture. People are engaged more than required in agriculture. But even after that, it provides livelihood of rural areas. It reduces unemployment and poverty. It supports small and marginal farmers. Even today, millions depend directly or indirectly on farming activities. Third, it is supplier of raw materials to industry. Agriculture supplies raw materials to many industries, such as cotton textile industry. Cotton is agriculture produce to sugarcane for sugar industry, jute for jute industry, oil seeds for edible oil industries. Thus, industrial development is closely linked with agricultural growth. Next is point four, that is contribution to national income. Agriculture contributes significantly to the GDP of many developing nations. Although the percentage share may decline as economies go on industrializing, agriculture remains vital because it supports rural income, it creates demand for goods and services, and it drives overall economic activity. Fifth point is source of foreign exchange. So how agriculture is a source of foreign exchange? Agricultural exports earn valuable foreign exchange. Major agricultural exports from our country are tea, coffee, rice, spices, and many marine products, which are exported to many developed countries. These exports improve balance of payment and strengthen the economy. Next is it promotes industrial development. Now, how it promotes industrial development? When we know that agriculture and industry are interdependent. When farmers earn more, they buy tractors, fertilizers, machinery, clothes, electronics, etc. This increases the demand for industrial products, so industry sector flourish as agriculture creates market for industries. Seventh point is rural development. Agricultural growth improves rural infrastructure, irrigation, roads, storage facilities, banking, and transport. This leads to balanced regional development because agricultural produce has to be transported. For that, rural infrastructure, road, railways are necessary. Irrigation helps in increasing the produce, and it also requires godowns and warehouse facilities. So storage facilities are also required for this. Next is 8 number, capital formation. Agricultural surplus helps to generate savings and investment for economic growth. Whatever surplus we earn from agriculture after consumption is our savings, and savings creates investment, Government collects taxes, export earnings, market surplus. These resources are used for infrastructure, education, and industrialization. Ninth point is reduction of poverty. Agriculture is the primary income source for rural poor population, and it improves agricultural productivity, raises farmers' income, creates rural employment, and reduces inequality. Therefore, agriculture is essential for inclusive growth. 10th point, it supports sustainable development. Modern agriculture promotes organic farming. It is now the recent development in agriculture, water conservation, crop diversification, sustainable resources use. Sustainable agriculture ensures long-term economic stability and environmental protection. Challenges are there for agriculture. Despite its importance, agriculture has many problems. It first is of small land holdings, fragmentation of lands, dependence on monsoon, low productivity, climate change, farmer indebtedness, poverty, lack of storage and marketing facilities. For this, these issues has to be addressed by the government for economic development. So measures to improve agricultural development is first use of modern technology, that is use of HYB, high yielding varieties, seeds, irrigation, AI-based farming and mechanization. Second is better credit facilities, easy loans for farmers through banks and cooperatives. Third is crop insurance, protection against natural disasters and crop failure. Next is agricultural research, innovation in seeds, fertilizers, and farming techniques. And the last is market reform so that farmers can get fair price for their product and they should have better access to markets. Agriculture is not just a sector, it is a foundation of economic development. So it feeds the nation, supports industries, creates employment, reduces poverty, and drives rural transformation. A strong agricultural system leads to strong economy. That's why economists often say that industrial growth may build a nation, but agriculture sustains it. So if you found this explanation useful, save it for your exams and share it with friends preparing for UPSC, UGC NET, JPSC, BPSC, SSC, and IGNOU MEC 104. That's all. Thank you.